Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the solution to fix Instagram filter not showing, not working in iOS and Android platform. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, tap and hold the App Store, then tap Updates. Here we have to check the list. Is there any update available for Instagram? If there is, then we have to update Instagram first. The next thing that we have to do, we have to go to Settings, then tap General and tap iPhone Storage. Here we have to find and tap on Instagram and tap Offload App. After Offload App, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. The force restart, re-download from the App Store. Now, the next thing that we have to do, launch Settings, General, transfer or reset iPhone, tap Reset Network Settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset Network Settings to confirm. Here we have to check one more thing, tap on Software Update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Finally, what we have to do, go back to General, iPhone Storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.